Hello, I am Alisha Malik. I have came to the screen of Shiro Vision with some new pieces of news for you. Mumbai rains overnight. Rainfall causes waterlogging. Local train movement slows down. Several parts of Mumbai woke up submerged.
Audio Jungle.
Several parts of Mumbai woke up submerged in water on Friday morning after the overnight rainfall caused waterlogging. The rainfall has led to delay in train movement as well as diversions in bus routes in Mumbai. The weather department has predicted more heavy rainfall in Mumbai and suburban areas over the next few hours. Around 8 a.m. on Friday morning, the IMT said that more rainfall is expected over the next 2 to 3 hours. Several low-lying areas in the suburbs of the Mumbai have already reported waterlogging. Meanwhile, a high tide of 408 meters is expected at 4:26 p.m., which can cause a further crisis. At 7 a.m. At 7 a.m. on Friday, Mumbai IMD had said Mumbai and surrounding areas will receive intense spells of rainfall accompanied by lightning. IMD Mumbai has confirmed that similar predictions have been made for Mumbai and Navi Mumbai and parts Raigad districts adjoining the Arabian Sea. The heavy rainfall in Mumbai along with the waterlogging is bound to disrupt traffic movement in the city. Train and air traffic routes remain clear as of now.
Audio Jungle.
Veteran actress Surekha Sikri dies on cardiac arrest at 75 in Mumbai.
Audio Jungle.
Veteran actress Surekha Sikri breathed her last on July 16 in Mumbai. She was 75. Her manager confirmed the news and said that she passed away due to cardiac arrest earlier this morning. Surekha was not in the best of her health for some time now. Surekha Sikri had to be rushed to a hospital after she suffered a brain stroke last year. She also suffered a paralytic stroke earlier in 2018. The actress manager confirmed the news to IndianExpress.com and said three-time national award-winning actress Surekha Sikri has passed away following a cardiac arrest earlier this morning at the age of 75. She had been suffering from complications arising from a second brain stroke. She was surrounded by family and her caregivers. The family asked for privacy at this time on Saigram. Surekha Sikri made her debut in 1978 with Tissa Korsika. She married Hemant Raj and they have a son together, Rahul Sikri. Her works in the industry include Balika Badhu Mumbai मूवी बधाई हो, एक था राजा एक थी रानी, परदेश में है मेरा दिल, इंदुमती लाला मेहरा, महाकुंभ, एक रहस्य एक कहानी, सात फेरे, सलोनी का सफर, बनेगी अपनी बात, केसर, कहना है कुछ मुझको, शहर, समय, CID and just मोहब्बतें. Among others, the veteran actress has won 3 national awards including one for Badai Ho.
Audio Jungle.
Tufan movie review. Farhan Akhtar pulls off a one-man show in new Amazon Prime film.
Audio Jungle.
Rakesh Om Prakash Mehra and Farhan Akhtar set the bar high with their first collaboration Bhag Milka Bhag 2013, in which the former's gift was storytelling and the latter's effort to transform himself into athlete combined to produce a classic sports drama. But fans hoping to see the duo surpass themselves in Tufan are bound to be disappointed. Tufan begins with a brash Qadsi Aziz, thrashing fellow goons of his area. He is an orphan who has been brought up by a local gangster. After the brawl, he lands in a local charity hospital where he meets Dr. Ananya, Mrunal Thakur. Aziz discovers boxing during a visit to a local gym and immediately gets hooked onto a legendary boxer, Muhammad Ali videos. The boxing bug has bitten Aziz, but he needs to find the right coach. Enter Nana Prabhu, Mumbai best coach who is also a Hanuman Bhakt and a staunch Hindu. At first, Nana dismisses Aziz, thinking of him as a troublemaker, but soon changes his mind after seeing his dedication. Under Nana's guidance, Aziz quickly climbs the ladder and reaches the nationals, but love gets in his way. What follows in an untoward incident that changes Aziz's life forever. There is no method to this madness. The makers add multiple elements but don't stay loyal to their character and their primary topic, boxing. Tufan is somewhat redeemed by its commendable actors. Paresh Rawal stays true to his character of a stern turban coach, Nana Prabhu. But the one person who carries the whole film on his shoulder is Farhan Akhtar. Farhan is a force behind this Tufan. It won't be the exaggeration to see that Tufan is one-man show, from naming boxing sequences to being vulnerable during emotional scenes. Farhan stands firm through the entire film. Like for Bhag Milka Bhag for Tufan 2, Farhan pushes the boundaries and worked hard to get the body of an athlete, and it seems to have paid off. He looks effortless on the screen as boxer, but Farhan's efforts deserve better. Pakistan Air Force has warned Afghan forces on acting against Taliban. Afghanistan Vice President Amrullah Saleh. Afghanistan's Vice President Amrullah Saleh has accused the Pakistan Air Force of supporting the Taliban and warning the Afghan forces from acting against it. The Pakistan Air Force has issued official warning to the Afghan Army and Air Force that any move to dislodge the Taliban from Spin Boldak area will be faced and repelled by the Pakistan Air Force, Amrullah Saleh said in the tweet late Thursday evening. He added that the Pakistan Air Force is now providing close air support to the Taliban in certain areas. While Amrullah Saleh leveled these serious charges on the Pakistan Air Force, he did not substantiate his allegations with evidence. Earlier in the day, Amrullah Saleh tweeted that the Afghanistan Army Brigade defending the encircled Wala now, the provincial center of Baghdad province, turned the town into a kill trap zone, invading Taliban. On Wednesday, Taliban seized control of one of the Afghanistan major border crossing with Pakistan. After 2 decades of brutality of Americans and their puppets, this gate and the Spin Boldak district were captured by the Taliban, a fighter said to camera. Afghan officials said government forces had pushed back the Taliban and were in the control of the district, but civilians and Pakistani officials said Taliban remained in control of the crossing. These are minority Kyrgyz who lived there for centuries. They are now across the border in Tajikistan awaiting their fate, he said on Twitter.
জিরো ভিশন, সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। জিরো ভিশন। জিরো ভিশন আজ কলকাতা তথা গ্রাম বাংলার পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাধারণ মানুষের পাশে এসে দাঁড়িয়েছে। জিরো ভিশন সবার সাথে সবার পাশে। আপনারাও পারেন জিরো ভিশনের মতন সবার পাশে এসে দাঁড়াতে। আসুন না সাহায্যের হাত বাড়িয়ে দিই। আপনারা যদি সাহায্য করতে চান তলার এই নাম্বারগুলোর সাথে যোগাযোগ করতে পারেন। প্রত্যেকটাই আমাদের জিরো ভিশন সংস্থার নাম্বার। ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন।
That's it for today for me and my team. Thank you for watching. Please stay safe and stay at home. If you like our channel, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.